Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to fix no sound in WhatsApp status. So for this, guys, you need to go to the settings, navigate here, and after that, in your account settings, as you can see, as we see them, you need to scroll a bit down until you see notifications. Click on that, and as you can see, we have different notifications. So guys, if you have any of them disabled, just go ahead and enable them all, right? So these little buttons, the green ones, you can just enable them. Also, you can enable use high priority notifications. You will see them at the top of the screen. And here, once you have them enabled, you just go ahead, close out of the app, and then open it up again and try fixing it. If that didn't help, also be sure to go to your phone settings. Then we go to notifications and we go to app notifications. In here, guys, you search for WhatsApp. All right, and we make sure that all of your notifications on your basically system side are all enabled. As you can see, in my case, they are all enabled. So you just go ahead and enable them all. Also, we have, as you can see, other. If you wish to modify them as well, you can do it from here, and also press additional settings in the app, and you'll be taken to that same page where also you should enable all of these. And after that, just restart the app and everything should be working. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.